Detoxifying your body could save your life. We often forget that most food we consume today comes genetically modified with chemicals, pesticides, all sorts of colorings, and ingredients that end up being toxic for our body. Our minds, our colon, our digestive system, including our circulatory system, are completely full of toxins that we might not have yet eliminated. And this can obviously cause health problems and conditions that we can't even imagine. So in today's video, I'll reveal some of the best tips and practices you can follow at home and how to eliminate every single toxic ingredient you carry. Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of Landivar.com. In this channel, as a conventional doctor, I treat patients through natural medicine before coming to the use of pharmaceutical drugs. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and press that bell down below to receive notifications and be the first one to watch a new video. If you need a lot of important quality supplements for your disease, visit Landivar.com and stay till the end of this video. I'm going to share tips and video links related to this topic. The amount of toxins we carry, and not just me, but every single person that actually buys stuff at the supermarket, is just incredible. It's overwhelming. The ingredients we eat every day are genetically modified. They contain chemicals, pesticides, colorings, all sorts of materials that the body is not able to metabolize. This can actually cause, in the long run, a chronic inflammation that later on can degenerate to cholesterol problems, triglyceride control, sugar balance situations that end up actually appearing as diabetes, pre-diabetes, even kidney failure, believe it or not. Every single toxin and every single ingredient that is not good for your body, that is not being eliminated by your kidneys or your liver, can actually mess up these organs and many others, including the ones you haven't even thought about. So in today's video, I'll reveal some of the best tips and practices you can follow to eliminate and detoxify your body naturally and effectively. Number 1. Start doing some intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting has become incredibly popular in the past couple years, and it has done so because it's very easy to practice, it's cheap, and it actually saves you money if you stop eating for 8, 12, 20, or 24 hours at a time. Now, intermittent fasting depends basically on how many hours you can stop eating, and this is very helpful for your body because in the time when it's not digesting something, it can actually be purifying all that needs to be taken care of when it's, has a time not to digest something that is occupying its time completely. Intermittent fasting has proven to be very helpful in all sorts of inflammatory conditions, like for example, arthritis, osteoarthritis, and even digestive problems. It gives the chance, or gives the body the opportunity to clean out all those toxins and ingredients that are being harmful for your system. In that time being 8 hours, 12 hours, or 20, that depends on you, the body has time, instead of digesting, to making sure you can clean out everything that is being accumulated over the past several months or years. And it's very important to note that there are studies proving that intermittent fasting can actually help you even stay healthy more than what you could possibly do if you eat all the time, even as healthy as you might think. It helps the body purify itself, detoxify, and helps regenerate cells, organs, and tissues. If you need something natural that can help you achieve that goal of detoxifying naturally your kidneys, your liver, and your blood at the same time, look for thistle essence, bright caps, and uriescence from Fineland at Landivar.com. Thistle essence will help your liver in every aspect, uriescence your kidneys, and bright caps will give you that antioxidant push to make sure that all those toxins and all that damage caused by these can be actually reversed. Number 2, stop eating packaged goods or canned foods. The most dangerous source for all sorts of toxins you might have are all the foods that come already prepared or packaged or canned or whatnot. Now you have to consider that when you see something at the supermarket, these foods basically, and most of the time, come with preservatives that are chemicals that will cause inflammation in your body. Sometimes we might feel sick and we don't know why, but it's basically because we're eating junk all the time. I guarantee that if you stop eating all these foods and goods and packaged foods, you can see a change in about 30 to 40 days. It will take time, your body needs time to purify itself, but you will feel differently and you will see that your body can actually activate once you give it a chance. Stop eating foods that are genetically modified. Stop eating canned foods, processed goods, packaged foods. All these are extremely inflammable. They contain lots of salts, chemicals, colorings, and obviously all these ingredients, most of them are not natural for your body to metabolize. If you need something natural that can help you clean out, detoxify, and improve that metabolic rate so that your body can do that job of detoxifying entirely, look for metathyroid green shot, which is actually concentrated more than 50 fruit and vegetables, vitamins and supplements, and kidney matrix from finally at drlandivar.com. Number 3, fix your thyroid. A lot of people focus on the liver or the kidneys, but they forget that the thyroid gland is the master gland that will actually make sure that all these organs, including your circulatory system, your mental health, everything can function properly. We forget that this small gland, very small gland, is extremely important in the detoxification process, in the functioning of your kidney or your liver or anything for that matter. Your nails, your hair, your skin, everything, every single tissue depends on how many or how much, hormones your thyroid is producing. Now, sometimes if you feel sluggish, you feel something, so maybe tired, or you don't have that energy you need every day, it might be due to thyroid health. It might not be at 100%. Maybe it's functioning at a 70% level. You go to the lab, you see everything that comes out right, but you don't feel right. Something is missing. Make sure you fix your thyroid. Your thyroid is extremely important in that detoxification process. Do not base yourself on the kidneys and the liver if your thyroid is not working. If it's not working, nothing will work. If you need something natural for this purpose to make sure that your thyroid can actually have that metabolic rate and activate your entire body, your circulatory system, your mind, your memory, everything in your body, look for metathyroid, Curcu Health, and Thistolescence from finally at drlandivar.com. Number 4, focus on your colon, especially your liver and your kidneys. Now, once you have started, doing that intermittent fasting, you stopped eating junk food, including, by the way, everything that contains too much gluten or carbohydrates, wheat, sugar, breads, pasta, all that stuff, you need to focus on your colon, because your colon is going to eliminate all the toxins that might be accumulating in your system after 2 or 3 days of not going to the bathroom. We tend to forget that our colon is extremely important. Constipation plays a very central role in being, full of toxins. If you're not going to the bathroom every day, you are suffering from constipation, and you need to take that seriously. So make sure to go to the bathroom every day. Make sure that you are taking herbs, vitamins, supplements to help your colon, to help your kidneys and your liver function properly. If you need something natural for this purpose, look for Laxi-Prune Appleizer, which will actually motivate your digestive system, and Colagon from finally at drlandivar.com. And help out the channel by giving us a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. If you have any questions, leave your comments down below, and I'll be happy to assist you. If you need quality supplements for your disease or an online appointment, visit drlandivar.com and check out these other videos related to stop it vaccination that might prevent a serious health condition in the future. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you soon.